We'll solve an equation involving decimal notation. The equation is x plus 0.018 equals 9. Now, to get x alone on the left side of the equation, we need to subtract 0.018 on both sides of the equation. And let's do that. X plus 0.018 minus 0.018 is equal to 9 minus 0.018. On the left-hand side, I have x plus 0, or just x, and I need to carry out this subtraction to find what x is equal to. So let's do that over here. I'm going to write 9, and I'm going to write a decimal point and 3 zeros following the decimal point because there are 3 decimal places in the number I'm subtracting. So then I'll have 9 minus 0.018. I can't subtract 8 from 0, so I'm going to have to borrow, and I have to go over to the left-hand side to borrow. I'm going to rewrite this as 8 and 99 hundredths, and that leaves me 1/100th left over, which is 10 thousandths. So I can write the 10 here. Now I have 10 minus 8 is 2, 9 minus 1 is 8, 9 minus 0 is 9. Write the decimal point. And 8 minus 0 is 8. So we have x equals 8.982, and we say that the solution of the equation is 8.982.